Eye candy. Huh? Oh, I'm the only female, aside from the young lady that just came, and she was phenomenal. But I'm going to ask Ruby and Chic to come up here, because I want to thank Salt-N-Pepa. I want to thank Total. I want to thank FWV, who have been a part of the Funk Fest, who paved the way for artists like myself to do what we want to do. So I'm going to do a little bit of the voice that good Whitney. Is that okay? Whatever you want, whatever you need, anything you want done, baby, I'll do it naturally. 'Cause